So on the submission button, you will see there's 4 types of submissions. Let's go over to invention submission for patents first. After clicking the invention submission, you will see this page. This is your main page of the invention disclosure form. So for every type of disclosure form, please, before inputting any info, please be reminded to read the privacy policy statement provided by HKBU and KTO. You can see the cautionary notices and also the links at the top of your submission page. Please remember to read them through before submitting your submissions. Also, for all types of submissions, please be reminded that you need to download the disclosure form to sign and ask your co-inventors or co-submitters to fill in the disclosure form and then sign on the form. So for example, if we are on the invention, patent invention, let me click to the disclosure form. This will be a PDF file, which is the disclosure form KTO asking you to sign and to declare that you agree to disclose your invention details to HKBU KTO. So please print this out and ask all your co-inventors to sign the actual disclosure form and then scan it back into as a PDF file. Then you can upload your signed document using this section here. So you can see at the first section, it will be attached documents. We have a section you can upload all types of documents here, including this disclosure form. You can do it in 2 ways. First way is you can just open your folder and then drag the document into this area. For example, if I drag it and drop it here, you will see the document is being uploaded here with a status bar. And until you see uploaded, that means this file has successfully been uploaded. Or the second part is you can just click this gray area. It will prompt you to choose from your local folder. So you will be able to choose any types of documents here. Okay, so after you have read through all the statements and prepared the signature form, you can proceed to inputting all your necessary information. For example, for patent, the first section will be your proposed invention title. And of course, please be reminded to input your submitter email, your own email address. In this field, please be reminded to enter and confirm and enter your correct HKBU email. Please do not enter your own personal email, but input your correct HKBU email address, or else HKBU KTO will not be able to find out who you really are. This is very important because this is related to the email you will be receiving, as what Gladys just mentioned. Please double check your email is correct before submitting your submission after filling all the information you need. So for the latter part, it will be more patent-related technical information. Please just fill in all the information necessarily based on the labels on the left. Should you encounter any difficulties or any unclear text box that you don't know how to fill in, please do not hesitate to directly contact KTO by email or by phone. You can find the contact information at the KTO website. Also, as you can see, most of the items are marked as red with a star. You will not be able to submit the submission before filling in all the information here. As you can see, now the submit button is grayed out. Please be reminded that you should input all your necessary information before submitting. So it will be a long list of questions and answers. Please read through all the instructions carefully and input all the information needed. I would like to get you all involved in one specific sections, which is Section 5, Inventor Information. So you need, because one patent application might, invention might include more than one actual inventors, and you might be even just a submitter for the actual inventors. You are not the actual inventor. So please be reminded that you need to input all the names of all co-inventors here. You need to use the correct and formal name as shown in your identity card or your passport, and input all the names here. You can separate the names by comma or semicolon. You just have to correctly input all the inventors' names here, so that KTO will find all your names correctly. Okay, so before submitting your form, maybe you will you still need some more time to find more information regarding the submission. So actually, before submitting, there is a save button on your right. For example, if I just input some of the information here, but I still do not have enough to submit, I can save this as a draft anytime. For example, if I click the save button, you will see a green bubble popped out saying your submission draft was saved. Then you can just leave this page. All your previously entered information will be kept until you submit it again. So as you can see, I have actually got 2 invention drafts here. If I go back to one of them, you'll see your previously uploaded documents and also the fields will still be here. And if you want to discard the whole submission details, there will be a rubbish bin button. You can click this and delete your whole submission, and all these info will be discarded. So please make sure you want to do it before actually clicking the delete button. So after you fill in all your information in the disclosure form, and also please be reminded to upload all the necessary documents, including the disclosure form, including some of, maybe you have some additional manuscripts, or for inventions, you have invention drawings. Please be reminded that to upload everything here before submitting. Then you can just, after filling in all the information, you can just click the submit button. Then a bubble will pop out and say your submission has been completed, and you'll be redirected back to your dashboard.